Morning.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Judge.
Okay.
Morning.
Hugo Sotelo Pando versus Ernesto Burciaga. Anybody here for that?
Ian Sadler on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Burciaga.
Are you the only one here?
I don't see Mr. Conche on behalf of the plaintiff. No, Judge.
Okay. So what, this is a motion hearing?
Yes, a motion to transfer venue.
Okay. And is the other side in agreement?
No, it's contested.
All right. I have Randy Kanch.
Yes, Conche, I believe.
I'm sorry. Who? Are you with him or are you with the other, with
I'm with the defendant.
Okay. Are you in El Paso?
I'm not. I'm in Austin.
And then Mr. Kanch, I don't know where he's at.
He emailed us this morning and said that he was in Hidalgo County for a hearing, but he'd log in here for this one. So
Okay, Robert, can you hear me? I'm trying to get a hold of my court coordinator.
I can, Judge.
Yeah. Can you find out if Mr. Kanch filed a motion for continuance on this hearing?
Judge, there's a notation on the docket that he's going to be late.
Well,
He was in another hearing and he called in this morning.
all right, I'm not going to wait for him.
Yes, sir, Judge.
So, Mr. Sadler, I'll put you on standby.
Okay.
We can go from there.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Okay. Erica Montero versus EPT Integrity Asset, etc. Anybody here on that?
Stephen Lucy on behalf of the plaintiff, Erica Montero.
And Aldo Lopez on behalf of the defendant, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Lucy. So this is a status hearing, meaning can mean a lot of things. Is this set for trial, or are we ready to go on that, or what's the deal?
We're set for trial. Sorry, Mr. Lucy.
Yes, Your Honor, we're set for a special setting jury trial in about 2 weeks on the 26th, Your Honor.
Okay.
Mention my name, please. Ms. Labinati has agreed with Marisa.
Ms. Labinati has agreed with Marisa
To move to summer special setting.
to move to.
Okay. Marisa is who?
Marisa's she's with the defendant's, Judge. She's coming into this case with me. She's one of our partners. I believe Mr. Vasquez had given us a date of August 17th. That works on our end. I don't know if that works for plaintiffs.
Well, Mr. Lucy, you said you wanted a special setting. I wonder if he's frozen. I guess he was. Okay.
But
All right. Well, Mr. Kanchen here and Mr. Sadler's here. Then I have Joe Spencer. Morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What do we have you for this morning?
It's a petition for non-disclosure, Judge.
Okay.
I hadn't seen an answer filed, but I believe he's entitled to it.
I have
Yeah,
two.
this is
Yours ends in 608.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then when the petition's filed, somebody from the state will file an answer. Is that correct?
Typically, they typically agree if there's no issues, Judge, and I think statutorily we covered all our bases, but I have not seen an answer.
Okay, Robert, can you check to see if an answer's been filed, please?
I'm looking, Judge, and also the DA is in the office right now.
Oh, thank you.
He wasn't able to log on to the Zoom.
Oh, the person handling this?
It's Jeff, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Spencer, do you mind if I bring him into my office?
Of course not, Your Honor.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Can you send him in, please? Okay, I have Mr. Adler here, Mr. Spencer.
Yes, sir.
He couldn't get logged on, so you filed a non-disclosure petition and there's been no answer filed. Mr. Adler.
The state's in agreement with it.
Okay, granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you know my routine, right? Submit the paperwork, make sure Robert signs it, and if you don't hear from me in a week or so, don't be shy to call back and check on it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. May I be
All right.
excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
There's another one. I have another non-disclosure that ends in 081 by William Hoppy, the fourth. I don't see anybody here.
He is from Dallas.
What's the status of that one?
They were contacted on it. We didn't answer that one either, and I'm in agreement with doing it.
Okay. Well, reset for a status, Robert, or whatever we do when the party doesn't show up.
Good morning, Judge. I am here.
Okay, where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, Mr. Lucy.
Yes.
You're here on the non-disclosure? Oh, no, I know you fell off. You fell off.
Yes, I was in the Eric Montero case.
Let me finish his non-disclosure. Robert, whatever kind of setting we give on the no-shows on, actually, it disappears, right? I mean, there's a non-disclosure. He filed. He didn't show up. So it just falls through the cracks.
I'll wait for them. I'll send them an email, Judge, finding out why they weren't here.
Okay. You can also maybe mention that the state appeared and said they were not opposing it if he wants to contact them to just submit paperwork. If that's okay with you, Mr. Adams.
Yep, yes, sir. I submit to the court that on the portal, most of the information on that case is already off, oddly enough.
Right. Well, I mean, a non-disclosure is independent of the portal, I would think.
Oh.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Somebody files a non-disclosure, 20 years later, it's not going to be on the portal.
Right.
Okay. So what I'm saying is it's a totally separate hearing from what's on the portal. I don't know how your portal operates, but it's fine. All right. Thank you for
I think that's
your
all I have.
appearance. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me go back to Mr. Lucy.
Yes, Your Honor. Stephen Lucy on behalf of Danielle Lebanati. She's in the hearing right now on the phone. However,
No, that's fine.
yes.
So I don't mind giving you, a special setting. I just need to check the calendar to see if I have like a murder or something like that. And then the fact that you all are willing to pass it, well, that's really pretty good because we're going to get 2 holidays in 1 week on the week that it's set. We're going to get Good Friday, I think, and what's the other one?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Your Honor, when you say we won't pass it, what do you mean?
Well, Mr. Lopez was saying that you were saying that you were in agreement with getting another setting on August the 17th, Mr. Lopez, is what you said you had.
Correct, Judge. That's the date Mr. Vasquez sent us via email.
Are you on board with that, Mr. Lucy?
Your Honor, what we would like is that we would like to keep this special setting. However, if it does get another date, we would respectfully request that it is still a special setting, Your Honor.
Okay, but what is a special setting date, please?
Sometime in the summer, Your Honor, a summer date.
Okay.
So May, June.
You want me to give you a special setting?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's what you're saying. And Mr. Lopez, you're saying Robert already gave you August the 17th.
So yeah, he sent us that date via email. Correct, Judge.
No, right. So let me afterwards get with Robert to make sure that that would be a special setting. Okay. It's going to be what kind of is it an auto accident?
Premises case, Judge.
Premises. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Is there any dates in May or June, Your Honor?
Mr. Lucy, I don't have the calendar here, so let me get with Robert. And you're saying May, June might be even better. I will check and see. May and June is pretty close in time, and I may not be able to give a special setting then. But let me check, and I'll get back with you. We'll get back with you, Mr. Lucy, and and Mr. Lopez. And if we don't be shy about calling Robert back next week to find out what we decided on that.
Okay, we'll do, Judge.
Okay.
So yes, August is fine as long as it's a special
Mr.
setting.
Mr. Lucy, you're not hearing me. I'm telling you that you have a civil setting, okay? And I'm trying to accommodate your civil setting. I'm retiring at the end of this year. I have a whole bunch of jail criminal cases that take precedence. And so I'm trying to carve out a date where I can tell you it will be special, there won't be a murder case, anything like that. So I already got it. That August is okay, May and June, I got it. That you want one probably as soon as possible. So let me talk to Robert. We only have like hundreds of pending cases, okay? So give me a chance to look at that, and then he'll get back with you. He might even get back with you with 2 or 3 dates that you all can pick amongst, and it'll be for a special setting.
Yes,
okay?
Your Honor.
How long do you anticipate that the trial is going to take?
Your Honor, we've had a lot of depositions, with a lot of witnesses, so I believe 1 week, Your Honor.
Mr. Lopez, in your experience, would that be?
Yeah, Judge, yeah, I think we can finish it within a week, including picking the jury and everything.
All right. Okay, so let me work on that, and then Robert will get back with you. All right?
Okay, thank you, Judge. And just to confirm, the trial date in March is canceled.
The trial date in March is hereby canceled.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Now, the March trial date, I'm trying to explain to you. I don't know if it caught you off guard or if you all are requesting that extension, but it was not well scheduled because there are 2 holidays in the week that follows. And, to bring a jury in and squeeze them in between 3 days and 2 holidays, 2 different holidays, I thought was, and then, Good Friday, and then they're headed to the Easter holiday. So if we told you that it was rescheduled, that would have been the reason.
Understood,
okay.
Judge. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. You're excused. Okay, Mr. Sadler. I could do 1 of 2 things. Y'all can agree on you want to transfer, right?
Right. We want to transfer it to Midland County.
Oh, to another county. Oh.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, okay. Some people are transferring because I told them that if they wanted it tried in this court, and they wanted me to try it, they could do that. If they thought it was going to take longer, it could be something they might want to transfer at this point. But you're saying that He wants to transfer it to Midland County. Okay, well,
We want to transfer it to Midland County.
pardon me?
We want to transfer it to Midland
No,
County.
I understand. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, I need to have a hearing.
Okay.
Since you're both from out of town, instead of moving in person, I'll ask Robert to put you on a Zoom hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
And Robert, I can hear this motion, subject to Rachel being here to take the record, and I'll do a Zoom just for them on it.
Yes, sir, Judge. I'll send them dates and have them agree on one.
Okay. All right, Mr. Sadler. Well, I haven't had that many transfers, motions, and they're not commonly transferred. If the person that files it is statutorily able to do it here, but I'm open-minded, and I don't know anything about your case.
Thank you, Judge. We'll bring it up in the hearing then.
All right. You're
Mike.
excused.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Higgins, what are you here on?
I'm here on a motion for default judgment. And I have the case number, it's 2025 DCV 0638.
Okay. Axel Logistics LLC versus Tres Pesetas LLC, correct?
Yes, correct.
All right. And so you filed a lawsuit last year, and then tell me about the service and the date of service.
Okay, so on this case, the defendant, we asked the court to take judicial notice, including the 4 exhibits attached.
Wait, hold on. Just answer my question. When did you serve the other party? And then I want to know the method of service.
Okay, so we served the other party at May 29th, and we served them by Secretary of State.
Okay. Robert, can you check the file and find out if any answer's been filed in it, maybe inadvertently, without giving the plaintiff's notice?
No answer, Judge.
Okay. And then, what's the amount in controversy?
The amount in controversy is $8,245.
Okay. And then the basis of that debt?
The basis of the debt is a credit with Axel, a credit agreement.
Okay. So, I mean, was it like on a credit card debt?
No, it looks like it was for building materials and equipment.
Okay.
So
how much are you asking for in attorney's fees?
$1,680, and we have an affidavit attached for that.
Okay. Presumably, I would have supposed you did. Okay, and then okay, prejudgment interest. How much are you asking for?
18%.
Well, can you give me a figure so we can put it on the judgment?
Figure. I don't have a figure.
Okay, let me do this. Submit a judgment with the prejudgment interest, assuming that submission will be signed within 7 days of your submission.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll submit that today.
And then, let me see, remind me where you're at.
I'm in Dallas.
Okay, so here in El Paso County, I don't know if you figured this out, but if you submit anything to the district clerk, it's not going to get even filed because it doesn't have a signature. So send it to Robert, even if you've already done that. Well, you're going to have to amend it and put a prejudgment amount. Send it to Robert, and then give him about a week. And if you don't get a response on a signature, then don't be shy about calling back to check on it.
Okay, thank you for that advice. We'll get that done today.
All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, you're excused.
Thank you.
Okay. Do I have any more? Okay. I was going to ask, is Randy Canch one of the people that staffs this, or who is he? And now we know. Mr. Canch, good morning. What case are you here on? I can't hear you. I cannot hear you.
Yes, I apologize. I'm in a court down here in Hidalgo County, but I'm here on the Pando versus Lizarraga case.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
You're a little late.
Yes.
What I told Mr. Sadler is, I know it's a motion to transfer, and so I asked Robert to set it by Zoom, even though you would be the only Zoom hearing since you're both out of town, so you can make your arguments on the transfer.
I'm sorry, you're cutting it out, Judge.
Okay. I told Mr. Sadler that Robert will give you another setting for Zoom. You will be the only ones on that Zoom setting since you're both from out of town, and I'll hear arguments on the transfer request. I don't know if you can hear me, but I think it's on your end that you're cutting out because you freeze on me.
But yeah, it's defendant's motion to transfer. We're here as the respondent on it.
Okay, I know that. What I'm saying is you weren't here when I called it, and I told Mr. Sadler that I will hear the arguments on the transfer request.
Oh, I see.
And the legal arguments against it, or whatever other factual arguments you have to present.
Sure.
So
Sure.
Robert's going to give you a Zoom hearing. You'll be the only ones on here, and then please make sure you don't have any conflicts and you appear on time.
Yeah, absolutely, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You're excused.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.